Hello, I'm Audi Audi product expert at Audi Retail Barcelona. If you're watching this video, you're probably just hours away from picking up your new Audi car. As you know, one of our mottos is advancement through technology, so we have been betting on digitization and connectivity for a long time. For that reason, I'm going to tell you about My Audi Connect. My Audi is the mobile application that connects you with your Audi car. It's obtaining all the information about it, in addition to planning all your routes or having access to the user manual. In our electric or plug-in hybrid vehicles, you can search for charging points, check battery status, or programming, charging timers, and passenger compartment air conditioning. The advisor who will deliver your new vehicle will give you a more detailed explanation of its functions and will help you to synchronize My Audi Connect from your mobile phone to MMI of your Audi. For this reason, it's essential to prior to your visit to our concession, you already have the app downloaded and your user created. I'll tell you how to do it. It's very easy, you'll see.
First step will be to download the app from the App Store in the case of Apple and Google Play Store if you're an Android user otherwise. Then we have to press the button Vamos allá. On the next screen, we enter our email and press the Continue button. Create a password. We accept the condition of use and the application will indicate that we have received a confirmation email. If we open our email box, we will find two emails. One to confirm the email to be used in the Audi ecosystem and the other one to regarding the Audi ID conditions. Once this step is done, we can reopen the mobile application and go to log in for the first time. On the next screen, we indicate our gender, name and surname and press Enviar. Session is started and on the marketing content screen, we accept the three boxes at the bottom of the screen. You can accept one if you want. Then you have to allow all the access from your smartphone to the application. We will click on the Más tarde button at the top of your screen. Then click on the right icon at the bottom of your screen. Then press at Concesionario Audi and you can search our concession with the zip code you can watch at the screen. Once you saved our concession, it's over. You have to wait until the day we deliver your car and the advisor will help you out to finish the configuration.
And that's it. You already have your My Audi user ready to finish the configuration the day we deliver your vehicle. Thank you for speeding up the process in the way you can dedicate all your time to fully enjoy the delivery and ask your advisor all the questions you consider appropriate. I wish you a happy day. Welcome to Audi.